Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a timely topic, percent private, and whether it's the right investment choice for you in 2025. If you're exploring new ways to grow your money amid economic shifts, this review will help you decide if this platform fits your strategy. First off, what exactly is Percent Private? It's an online investment platform that connects everyday investors like you with private credit opportunities, such as loans to businesses or real estate projects. Think of it as a modern way to access high-yield investments that were once reserved for the wealthy. Now, let's talk about the pros. One of the biggest draws is the potential for strong returns. We're talking annualized yields of 8% to 15% or more, depending on the deals. It's also relatively easy to get started. You can invest with as little as $500, and the platform offers diversification across various assets to spread out risk. Plus, in 2025, with interest rates stabilizing, this could be a smart way to beat inflation. But hold on, it's not all sunshine. On the downside, Percent Private involves higher risks since these are unsecured loans or alternative investments. If a borrower defaults, you could lose your principal, and there's no FDIC insurance like with traditional savings accounts. Fees can add up too, with management charges that might eat into your profits. Market volatility in 2025, especially with global uncertainties, could impact performance. So, is it right for you? It depends on your risk tolerance and financial goals. If you're a seasoned investor with a diversified portfolio and can afford potential losses, it might be worth exploring. Beginners should probably stick to safer options like stocks or bonds until they're ready. In conclusion, Percent Private offers exciting opportunities but comes with significant risks. Always do your own research and consider consulting a financial advisor before jumping in. If you're intrigued, check out the links in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more investment insights. See you in the next video.